Hi, Jane, and this is excellent work. Everything that is meant to match mechanically does. In assignment 2, you're getting the sorts of results we're looking for. In assignment 3, things look very good too. The only thing might be that the swatches on right side and the right side set look a little similar to start with, but I will note that they are different and that you have caused them to look more alike given the backgrounds. Good work. Hi, Lauren. Your work here looks quite good. Um, Everything looks fine in assignment 2, and you've even got some astounding results. For instance, top right stands out as being a pair of swatches that wind up looking very different given the backgrounds. Now, looking at assignment 3, well, this is quite good also. I'm having a color match problem on the left side of the left set, which is to say that the swatch in the center of the background and the swatch below are not matching with RGB values, which makes it hard to judge how things are working. On the right side, I think you've done an excellent job. Everything that's meant to match does, and you've caused two different colors to look quite the same. Hi, Ria. Things look really good here. All of the colors that are meant to match mechanically do. Good job with that. I really do like your color sets with assignment 2. You've got some dramatic results. For instance, top right and top left are really good. In the bottom right, it seems to me that the right side rectangle is shrunken, and I think I see a backdrop here in this work that's a little bigger than the second backdrop in the set, and that's telling me that maybe your template's falling apart a little bit. Now, let's see. Assignment 3 looks quite good too. On the left side, I think that yellow backdrop could be adjusted so that it is desaturated, making the center swatch more saturated looking. In the right set, it seems that you're using color subtraction primarily, and I'd say on the left you want to get some more red or magenta into the center, so I might try the complement for a background there. Hi, Mary. Taking a look at your work. Assignment 2 looks great. In fact, in all of these, everything that's meant to match mechanically does. So that's a good job. Also, the templates are looking perfect. In assignment 2, the couple of sets on the right side are really arresting. You've gotten great results there. Now let's see. In assignment 3, I really like that right side set. The colors are different, and they do appear to match on the different backgrounds. With a left, I'm wondering if that orange backdrop could be desaturated in an effort to make the swatch inside it look more saturated. Melissa, good job at making everything match mechanically that's meant to match. The color picker is saying that things are okay. With assignment 2, things look quite good. I like the bottom right set. You're getting great results there. And generally, things look good. Now, with the assignment 3, the left side set looks good. It might be that there could be small adjustment to make the right side swatch look a little darker in value. That means its backdrop has to be lighter. With the right set, well, I don't think you're getting the results here, and I'm wondering what would happen if you put a cyan backdrop on left in an effort to cast more red into the center swatch there. Well, Liz, this is a fantastic example of assignment 2. Everything that's meant to match does, and your solutions just seem to sparkle. The color shift is astonishing, say in top left and bottom right, really in all the sets, and each set has a very different quality from the others. Hi, Janine. In assignment 2, everything that's match does, and you've got some great results. For instance, in the bottom right set, assignment 3 looks pretty good. I think you are getting somewhere with your left set. I noticed that you're relying on color subtraction, and I wonder if, for instance, you could try a cyan backdrop on right in an effort to give the center swatch more of a cyan color. Also, I think you could probably play with value with that backdrop in an effort to make the swatch look lighter. In fact, that might really be the key. Now, on the right side, there is a technical issue, which is that the right swatch and the one beneath it do not match with RGB values. And that makes it a little hard to judge what's going on here. Hi, Tanya. Everything that's meant to match mechanically does. Things look good with these two works. Let's see, assignment 2. Boy, I'm just startled by what you're able to get in the bottom right set, for example. With assignment 3, I do believe in the left set you brought those colors to the point where they look quite similar. Good job there. On the right, however, it seems like the yellows were kind of similar to start with, and so the effect is diminished a bit. Hi, Suzette. Good job with this work. The colors that are meant to match mechanically do, which is important. In your assignment too, there are some great results. I really do like that bottom left set, for example. With assignment 3, well, things are happening here. However, I would recommend that you think about value a little more. Remember that if you're trying to make the swatch look darker, the background needs to be lighter, and vice versa. Hi, Jamie. Here in your work, this is a very nice job of building the format from scratch. It looks as though you have not used the templates. In assignment 2, I'm having a hard time judging things because I'm not getting exact color matching with a color picker check for the center swatches. However, I can see that you're able to do that in assignment 3 because the swatches that are meant to match there do match exactly. Now, let's take a look at the left set. Well, it seems on the left you're using a color complements idea, and on the right you're using color subtraction and also a value adjustment. I think on the right the value adjustment is going in the right direction, however it might be a little too severe. On the left, while you're using this idea that the complement is going to help cast the color you want on the center swatch, there I might try color subtraction. Sometimes one works, sometimes the other works better. It's a matter of tinkering. On the right set, I think things look fantastic. Hi, Samantha. This is really nice work. I can see a lot of care went into it. Everything that's meant to match does match. And you've got some great color solutions in assignment 2. I really like the ones on the bottom. Actually, the right side set's great too. On top there. Now, looking at your assignment 3, I think you have done a fine job of making the center swatches look much more similar or even identical. On the right set, I'm thinking maybe the left side center swatch could stand to look a touch darker in value, which would mean that the backdrop can be lighter.